No, Ender, I'm serious.
Okay, you want me to move?
No. Are you okay that your arm in the tablet is in the
I
footage?
don't care, Jenny. I can't move right now.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. So, today, I'm going to color my own hair. But it's not very difficult like you see in like normal YouTube videos because all I really want to do is cover my grays. And it has, if you see, it has been like this long since I covered my grays. So, I'm gonna cover it. And I'm nervous as hell because this is something hairdressers usually don't do by themselves. And I'm using black hair color, so I'm afraid I might stain my bathtub. But I'm in quarantine, and who's gonna do my hair? And I need it done, and I'm going crazy. So let's just get on with it. I mixed the color already. This is a soft black for people who don't understand hair color, and for people who do understand hair color, it is a level 3. FYI, I'm actually a natural level 2, but all I have is a level 3 because that's what I have at home. So I don't think it'll come out too bad. Alright, let's get on with this. Oh my gosh, Ender, I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. I don't even know if I have enough hair color because my regrowth is so long. And normally, you know, as a professional stylist, you put barrier cream around here. But I don't have any because I'm doing this at home. So I'm trying to be as careful as I can. And it's very difficult to be careful when all I have is the viewfinder to look through. So I don't know if I'm doing this right. I just need my hair done. Ender, do you think I'm making a mistake doing this? You're a great husband then. I'm very nervous. I don't even know if I'm getting all my grays. So, I'm doing all of this by feel. I don't even know if my sectioning is right on this thing. Oh gosh. I used to get mad at all my customers who colored their hair at home. And I used to be like, why don't you just come to the salon and get your hair done? Well, I will never, ever get mad at a customer now because I would be a hypocrite. But yeah, which by the way, you should also be using gloves when you do this. But clearly I'm not because my gloves are over there. And I need to get this color in like now. Oh my god, what the hell am I doing? Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm getting color all over my fingers. Where is my original section? Oh, this is wrong. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Where's my sectioning? Okay, we'll say that's my sectioning. Ender, you have anything to say? Good luck. I have a question. How do you guys do this at home? Like, my arms are already hurting. This is good. problem lays now is how do I do the back? Because I can't reach. And this has been the problem in my head since I first decided to do my hair. And Ender refuses to help me out because he doesn't know how. I don't even think I have enough color. Oh my god. This is unbelievable. Okay, well, I think I did it. 9:30. So, if it's 9:30, this has to stay in for 45 minutes. So at 10:15, I have to wash this out. But look at my hands. Like, look at this. Oh my god, I should have worn gloves. What a freaking disaster this is. So for those of you who are asking why aren't I taking the color all the way to the ends, it's because I will end up highlighting my hair by myself. That is another video. And so I don't want to put color on the ends because it's just that much harder to highlight when I actually do highlight. Anyways, I feel like I'm done. I will be back in, I don't know, after I take a shower, but this has to sit in for 45 minutes and let's pray for the best. So I ended up just going to bed. I washed out my hair and I was so exhausted to film the result. Anyways, I figured that you guys wanted to see the result when my hair is dry and I couldn't wait like till 3 in the morning to let you know the result. So, good morning, and this is my hair. I actually pretty much covered all of my grays, and I'm very proud of myself, but my hands are black. I tried to get most of it out. If you can see, they are black. So if you do color your hair, any color but blonde, take advice from a professional and wear gloves. Anyways, that is my video for today. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.